Hi my people, hello Ndenkem, happy holidays. In today's video, we'll be making chopped tomato stew and gizzard. It is a very authentic and delicious type of stew. It does not require much, but the taste is on another level. So this is what I'll be using for the base. Fresh tomato, tatashi and chili pepper. Chili pepper is also called shombo. So but make sure you deseed the tatashi, that is to remove the seed and the seed of the shombo. You don't want the seed for this recipe. So chop with your food processor. If you don't have food processor, do well to use a knife to cut it into small pieces. And that is it. This is your base. This is what we'll be frying this stew with. You don't want something that is smooth. This chunky type of tomato and other spicy pepper and all that, they give a different unique flavor to your tomato. Let's allow smooth stew to rest for a while, okay? If today is your first time of coming across my channel, hey there, feel free to subscribe to this channel, okay, to join the community. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are the absolute odogu. You guys are the best. Thank you for sticking to me, okay? How are you guys preparing for the holidays? How are you guys preparing for this Christmas? I know the country is hard, but just do the one you can, okay? Next year, hustling continues. And if you're someone that is struggling with a business idea to come up as a side hustle for next year, do well to check my channel for some business ideas I have dropped. I've dropped some videos you can use and start up something for yourself, from plantain chips to potato chips, coated peanuts and all that. Okay, after chopping the tomato, it is time to cook the gizzard. Make sure you cook the gizzard until it's tender, and make sure you spice the gizzard very well, because the broth of the gizzard will be used to make this stew. We have almost come to the end of today's video. I hope you learned something from it. This stew is so fresh, it's so delicious. Like, please try something different this Christmas. It doesn't matter how much you have. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, and your stew is ready, okay? So if you have never tried adding spring onions to your stew, do well to try it for a change. Hi, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video, okay? Thank you so much, and do well to subscribe, like my video, and share my video. Bye.